Stop thinking about AI as a chatbot that waits for your command, because by 2026, the age of simple prompting is officially over. Today, we're not just talking about smarter AI, we're talking about a complete revolution in how artificial intelligence works and what it can do for us. For years, we've been fascinated by generative AI, the kind that creates text, images, or code from our prompts. Think ChatGPT. You ask, it answers. You command, it generates. But that paradigm, as powerful as it is rapidly drawing to a close. We are standing on the precipice of a new era, one that will fundamentally redefine our relationship with technology and reshape industries globally. This is the age of autonomous agents, and it's a shift so massive, you might not even recognize the world once it's fully here. Get ready, because the way you work, interact, and even think about digital assistants is about to change forever. The core difference between the AI you know today and the AI of tomorrow boils down to one critical concept: autonomy. Right now, most AI models, like the familiar large language models, are essentially sophisticated tools. They're incredibly intelligent, capable of crafting brilliant essays, summarizing complex documents, or even writing basic software. But they are passive. They sit there, waiting for you to tell them what to do. They are responders. You initiate the conversation, you provide the context, you give the command. Without your input, they do nothing. Autonomous agents flip the script entirely. Imagine an AI that doesn't just generate a response, but acts on your behalf. These aren't just advanced chatbots. They are digital entities designed to operate independently. They don't passively await instructions. They actively pursue goals. This means they possess capabilities that seem almost sci-fi today. They can browse the internet, navigate websites, use your mouse to click buttons, fill out forms, interact with applications, and execute incredibly complex workflows. All without needing you to hold their hand or provide constant input at every single step. Think about it this way. Generative AI is like a brilliant research assistant who can write a perfect report if you give them all the necessary articles and tell them exactly what to include. Agentic AI, on the other hand, is like hiring that same brilliant assistant, but now they can also go to the library, find the articles, compare the information, draft the report, get it published, and even promote it, all while only checking in with you at key milestones. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a fundamental redefinition of AI's role, shifting from generative AI to agentic AI. We're already seeing the early blueprints of this future with emerging technologies like OpenClaw and Devin. These aren't theoretical concepts. They're real examples of agents pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Take Devin, for instance, often touted as the world's first AI software engineer. It doesn't just suggest code. It can actually take a high-level prompt, break it down into smaller tasks, write the code, debug it, fix issues, and even deploy it to a live environment. It handles the entire end-to-end process, behaving less like a tool and more like an actual, albeit digital, team member. Let's bring this to a more relatable scenario. Most of us have experienced the joy, or rather, the headache, of planning a trip. Today, you might use an AI to generate a travel itinerary. It gives you suggestions for places to visit, restaurants, and activities. That's generative AI doing its job. But what if your AI assistant, your agentic AI, could do more? What if it could not only generate the itinerary, but also go to various airline websites, compare flight prices from different carriers, check hotel availability on booking sites, find the best deals based on your preferences, and then, after you give a simple nod of approval, actually book the flight and reserve the hotel for you? Imagine it even handling the complex logistics of ground transport and dinner reservations. This level of autonomy means these agents aren't just limited to personal tasks. Imagine the profound implications across every industry. In software development, an agent could handle bug fixes or feature requests from start to finish, interacting with code bases, test environments, and version control systems. In customer service, an agent wouldn't just answer questions. It could diagnose problems, access customer accounts, process refunds, and initiate follow-up actions, effectively resolving complex issues without human intervention. For data analysts, an agent could autonomously gather data from disparate sources, clean it, run statistical models, and present insights in a dashboard, freeing up human analysts for higher-level strategic thinking. In logistics and supply chain, an agent could monitor inventory levels, predict demand fluctuations, negotiate with suppliers, and even reroute shipments in real time to optimize efficiency. The implications of this technological leap are simply staggering. The agent's ability to independently learn from interactions, adapt to new information, and execute multi-step tasks will lead to unprecedented levels of efficiency and productivity across every sector of the global economy. This isn't just about making things a little faster. It's about fundamentally restructuring how work gets done, automating entire swaths of cognitive labor that were once thought exclusive to humans. This shift from simple prompting to true agency, from merely generating to actually doing, is not just a technological advancement. It is, without exaggeration, poised to be the most significant economic disruption of the decade. Businesses that embrace this shift early will unlock new levels of competitive advantage, while those that don't risk being left behind in an accelerating world. This isn't about replacing humans wholesale, but about augmenting our capabilities in ways we've only dreamed of. It's about offloading the tedious, repetitive, multi-step tasks to an AI that doesn't get tired, doesn't make human errors, and can operate 24/7. It will free up human intelligence for creativity, strategic thinking, innovation, and the complex human interactions that machines simply cannot replicate. The future of AI isn't just about intelligence. It's about action. It's about agency. And that future is arriving faster than you think. If you want to understand more about the future of AI and how these agents will transform our world, check out our next video right here.